Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this video, we're talking about how to make money online with artificial intelligence, the affiliate strategy. Make sure you share this video with your good friends and the people you use to email. All right, right now I'm going to jump over to the slides, and artificial intelligence is going to be an outstanding tool in affiliate marketing like nothing that has ever existed. This will be the biggest thing ever. The first strategy I want you to look into is repurposing, transcribing content from long posts to make them into shorter posts. You can add your own additional commentary to the video and make it your own. And now you can create a separate channel, include your affiliate links, and now you have another business going. You can assemble the content from different videos in a particular niche, and you can then make like a all-star or a the best of in that genre, and then you can get a lot of traffic, send them to your affiliate offer. So here's an example. Take these articles, these titles. 10 ways to do this, 10 ways to do that, 10 ways to do this. And what you could do is get the transcript. Once you get the transcript, all right, you can go over here and get the transcript. You may have to massage the text to get the timestamps out of it. You have to drop it in Excel or something to get the timestamps out of it. And you could take the text once you have it, right? Once you have the text, you can take it. And I'm just going to take the text from this right up here just to show you as an example. You can take text and you can come over here to ChatGPT and you can say, can you summarize the following text in let's just say 5 sentences. Okay, all right, hold on. He needs the text. Okay, so here's the text. All right, so let me take our little links out of this. I'm just showing you how you can summarize text. All right, so shout out to whoever this creator is. I just went to the first link I saw. Okay, all right, so I just paste the text, and ChatGPT is smart enough to know what I was talking about. And so it went ahead and let's see, did it give me a summary? It gave me a summary. I asked for a summary in 5 sentences. It looks like it probably did it. So here is the summary. The text is an introduction to a YouTube video by someone named Sarah Dawn. Shout out to her. The video is aimed at helping men understand how to sexually arouse a woman. Who knew? I didn't even know what I was clicking on there. The video will provide 10 ways to get a woman hot, right? She mentions that she is excited to share more. So you could take all of these talking points, create a new video, and talk about this information and include your affiliate link. This is how you can repurpose content and use your affiliate link to start making some money. Post in the comments if you agree with that strategy, if that makes sense to you. All right. What you're doing is taking longer list post type videos. I just typed in the 10 ways. See, you can just leave it and the search will fill it in, right? So if I type in 10 ways to, right? And then scroll down the list, you'll have tons of options here. And you can find your niche. 10 ways to include your niche. 10 ways to cooking, right? 10 ways, right? There's cooking. 10 ways weight loss, right? Diet, 10 ways, right? Just 10 ways. And so that gives you a good base to get going, all right? Now let's go to the second one. Ebook writing. Now I'm going to specifically talk about how-to manuals. These are things that people need. I'm jumping over to Amazon so you can see all these how-to books. All right. So what you can do is the research on a particular niche on how to do something that people are trying to do. Get the information on what you're looking for, and you can also work with ChatGPT to help you understand how to do it. Can you explain in 200 words how to get started in farming? Okay, so you can just use this section by section, and the next thing you know, you'll have a book and you can add your own input to it. And if it's in the right niche and it solves the right problem, the next thing you know, you can get a lot of traffic. And with your affiliate links inside of the ebook, you can generate sales. Does that make sense? Remember, this is a strategy. It's a strategy. So it requires you to take action in order to make it work. So in this example, you're going to just figure out what are the books that are needed. You can even ask ChatGPT to help you with that. You can say, ChatGPT, what are the types of ebooks that I could sell to attract affiliate sales? What are the types of ebooks that I could, let's just say that I could promote, that I could publish to attract affiliate sales? Let's see. And ChatGPT is giving you the types of books. The first one, how-to guides. So I'm giving you actual, accurate information. Product reviews. That's another great niche. You can just do reviews on products you're familiar with, especially software. Software works excellent for this strategy. So I just want to share with you how to make the best use of an affiliate marketing strategy. If you do reviews on software, which a lot of times you can get access to the software for a short period of time for free, do big review, put your link in for that software, and boom, you have sales. You can link to the detailed guide on how to do some of the advanced features of the software, and in that guide have links to the software, and that's how you'll get sales. All right. Now, number 3, another way to make money with books. In this case, we're talking about children's books. Now, with Amazon, you can self-publish books, no big deal. But you need the text. So where can you get the text? Well, here are tons of classic books that no longer are covered by copyright law. So you can take a classical book like Jack and the Beanstalk, okay? And you can get the text from Jack and the Beanstalk. This may not be the best place. This is from Library of Congress. So you can get this text from somewhere online, and you can have ChatGPT summarize some of these pages. You can add your own flavor to it. You can jump over to DALL-E, and you can ask DALL-E to do something fancy for you. Let's check out what we can come up with potentially for a Jack and the Beanstalk style character. We could take any one of our old characters. Let's take the lion. Will it give me let's see if I can find I need to get the actual. Where is the actual prompt? Okay, well anyway, I'll use this one. It's giving me the prompt. I don't know why. So we copy that and we go over here to DALL-E. Now this is a long prompt. So let's see if we can come up with something that will be Jack and the Beanstalk-ish. An ethereal portrait of a boy. Fantasy War. Frilly. I don't know what frilly means. Let's just take frilly off. Let's say husky. Is that a word? I don't know. Let's just take that off totally. Chrome armor. So Jack and the Beanstalk. An ethereal portrait of, let's just call it Jack and the Beanstalk. Right? I'm just going to put his name on there. See what it comes up with. We don't need chrome armor for Jack and the Beanstalk. Sharp eyes. Hold on a second. Okay. Alright, let's see what all we got. Digital art, high quality brush strokes. Okay. That's enough. Let's just see what it gives us. Just an example, alright, of what you can do repurposing classical books into your own works that you can then look at the Jack and the Beanstalk. That's out of control. Look at that. Now you can use this image. This is literally an image I can sell. I have the rights to it. And I can use these little images in the book with my text and sell Jack and the Beanstalk books. In the Jack and the Beanstalk books, I can have links to affiliate products that children may purchase, maybe on Amazon, maybe on another site. Now, I'm not 100% sure if you can put links in the Amazon books to non-Amazon affiliate offers, but you get the strategy. That's what we're after, is the strategy. This is extremely impressive. Think about the types of graphics that are in children's books. And look at what this thing just gave you. It literally just gave you 4 characters for the book. Because you can choose one and you can ask it to make variations for you. And then now you're building on the imagery of that particular character. This stuff gets very exciting for me. I hope that you can see the possibilities and opportunities that are right here in front of your face. This is the future. I'm excited to be here and help you with it. So make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai. It's all about how to grow your business with artificial intelligence. When you subscribe, you'll get 12 businesses to start with AI today. You'll get 31 AI apps to use in your business now, and you'll get my email address. So if you have questions, I will be there to help you. All right. At this point in time, I want to thank you for watching this video and liking it. If you did not like the video, make sure you share this video with somebody who will. Until the next time, I'm Darnell Jackson. Peace.